An audience from night to night is going to vary depending on who decided to buy their ticket that day and what the weather is like and whatnot. And so every day that affects how the audience is going to react to a show. And so we get to, as actors, be able to find those different things every single night that vary between show to show because the audience that night is different. One night might laugh at everything, one might not, but they'll still be with the show the entire time. And for me, that's one of the most exciting parts of theater, is the variance in what happens from show to show. You've built this structure over the rehearsal period, but you bring an audience in, and that structure is played with because it's live. And, no matter how many times you try and do the same thing over and over and over again, it's going to change. And for me, that's what's most exciting for it.